If you're trying to make your videos more engaging, start incorporating green screen videos into your content strategy. Green screen videos are like this, when you have a photo or video playing behind you while you are talking, and it's super simple to do. Hi, and welcome back to day 66 of 100 social media tips. So I will be using CapCut for this tutorial. What we want to do is first click new project and select the video that we're talking and want to use the green screen effect. So I'm just going to pick this video here where I want to add a green screen effect. First, you need to click add. Then you want to tap your video and scroll all the way down until you see remove background. When you select it here, you can do auto removal and it adjusts that way. All the background behind me has been removed. Now we have to include the photo or video that we want to have behind us. So what I'm going to do is click the plus button and then select the photo. You can pick a photo or video that's going to be relevant to your content. For example, if that is a news article that you're reacting to, or a screenshot, or even just a photo you've taken, you can just use whichever one it's going to be most relevant to the content. So for this example, let's just say at a beach, I'm just going to pick this video here, and then now we can see that they're two separate clips. What I actually want to do is click the video where I removed the background, then we scroll all the way until we see overlay, click that here, and then we can drag this across on top of our photo, and then we can see that photo behind us. We can extend that clip for as long as we want. Say that I want the photo to be bigger, again I can just expand that. If I want myself to be smaller on the screen, I can adjust that as well by just using two fingers to make it smaller, placing it where I would like. For example, if I just wanted to have it here, and then I can play it through and just have the video. So I have this second clip where I don't want the green screen effect anymore. I can just tap this video, say I want to split it here, click this video, and then we scroll back into remove background. Because we've already removed the background, what we actually want to do is click auto removal and click restore, and now our background has been restored. And I can just adjust this again to the size that I want it to fit. So now I have this video here where I am talking on screen with the green screen effect on, and now I have the green screen effect turned off. That's it. Like always, keep creating, keep experimenting, and I'll catch you in the next video.